Welcome to the channel. Today we will guide you through how to change your password in GoDaddy quickly and securely. This video is perfect for anyone who wants to keep their account safe or update their login credentials. First, log into your GoDaddy account. Next, once you're on the dashboard, click the small arrow beside your profile picture. Then, from the menu that appears, select Account Settings. After that, look at the left sidebar and select the Security section. Next, choose the Password option to start the process of updating your password. Then, enter your current password carefully to verify your identity. Afterward, type in your new password, making sure it is strong and secure. Next, confirm your new password by typing it again to ensure there are no mistakes. Finally, click on the Save button to complete the password change process. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips.